Way to go. Skara fast to begin rising up. Golden Rage head honcho. Carmelita is running by Doral. Moving up is Mike Some Lady. Alongside Apple Splash number 1. Prince Carlo Easter Hope and Strike Force is running at the tail of the field. Two runners fighting for the lead. Golden Bridge, Carab, Carmelita is running by Doral, rushing up Easter Hope. Ed Honcho is racing from the outside, fifth Apple Splash, and Mike Some Lady is running in seventh position. Rounding the far turn, Golden Rage, Carmelita, Easter Hope from the outside, Carab, Head Honcho, Apple Splash, and making room by Doral is Mike Some Lady, Prince Carlo. Entering the last 450 meters more to run. Golden Bridge by the Carmelita Easter of Scarab. Mike Some Lady rushing up in between runners. And nearing the last 200 meters more to run. Golden Bridge. This time by some 4 lengths followed by Apple Splash. Mike Some Lady is running by Doral and Carmelita in between runners. And nearing the finish line. Golden Bridge by some 2 lengths followed now by Mike Some Lady. And finally, Golden Range, Mike Some Lady, Apple Splash, close between Prince Carlo, Scarab, and Carmelita.